to William's World. Today is day 8 of the Spider-Man Advent Calendar. Day 8. Can you see that? Day 8. Okay, so I'll bust this one open. Okay, this one's is. Oh come on! I think I kind of broke it a little bit. What is that? I can't actually tell what this is. I think it's a race car. Yeah, I think it's a racing car, like a car that you race in. I think it's called a sports car, but I'm not too sure. Hey, Spider-Man, stand back up. Not sure how I can make that, but I'll try. Oh, I can kind of see how this is starting to look like a race car. I can only see a tiny bit. Okay. This. Okay, I'm nearly done with it. Oh yeah. Okay, so here it is, the race car. I can kind of see that. Well, tell me if it's a certain. It might be one of those like Spider-Man ones, but I don't really think so. But it is red, so yeah, it actually looks quite good to me. Like with the little rocket thing there. Oh yeah, it could also fly, I think, because it's blue with the hottest fire. I think. Or is it green, or is it purple, or is it any colour in the rainbow? I don't know. Don't ask me. Okay, so thank you for watching day 8 on William's World, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.